Rowserworld. All right, and then welcome, my friend. And today we're going to be doing some more cartoon drawings. Thank you guys for uh, coming out today to draw with me. So let's go ahead and we have a list of different. We have a bunch of different models here. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick this guy right here. This guy looks like a pretty cool guy to draw. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just center in on his face real quick, and I'm going to teach you how to draw his caricature. Okay, so what would we do first with this guy? What I would do here, um, I would start with obviously I'm going to do my jawline here. So we're just going to draw kind of the one ear shape. We're going to come and we're going to work our way down. Okay, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to do a similar idea. Be careful not to make your line too heavy. Okay. And I want small ear shapes in comparison to the head. This way it doesn't look so, what's the word I'm looking for? It doesn't take away from the gigantormous, I just made that word up, of his head shape that I drew. Okay. All right. So just let me finish this piece here. All right, so there we go. We got his tie and his shirt. All right. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the top of the head shape. Okay, and we're going to start penciling in that part. Okay, so we'll do something like this here. Okay, and come down from that shape. And then we'll just come out and around. We don't want to use a hard line here, just like so. Okay. Now we'll go here and we'll draw the outside shape of the top of the head first. And then we'll use a thin line to bring it on across, okay? And then let's bring this around to make it like a kind of like a square shape. And if you want, you can add a few little hairs in there like so to give it a little bit of direction, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and go to our eye shapes here, okay? So we're going to make some pretty small shapes here. We're going to use I'm going to use two lines like so to kind of connect the skin over the eye, and then I'm going to do something like this here. Okay, just like so. And then I'm going to come to the bottom and I'm going to make another little line like this, like a little triangle. Okay. Once I have that, I'll go ahead and center my eyes here on the camera, put my light source, and give him a little bit of eyeball in there. And he looks great. Okay. All right. Now we're going to do this and this eye shape here, brow shape. And we can even go ahead and draw a little line in between for his glasses. And then we'll come and we'll make a light line out here because his glasses are see-through. We want to make these very light. Okay. All right. Now, once we have that, we can go ahead and put our nose shape. So for his nose shape, he has a kind of upturned nose. So I will go with an upturned shape like this. I will go with a small middle nose and then bigger nostrils and then small wings of the nose here. So that will be my shape there. Okay, and now we're going to do our smile shape. So we're going to come out here and we're going to make it nice and wide like his smile is in this picture with dimples, right? And we're going to draw our shape like so. So we're going to go with what the shape feels like. It feels like something like this here. Okay, that's what it feels like. See how easy that is? Literal interpretation feels like literal interpretation. Okay. Caricature is a lot of drawing what it feels like, not literal interpretation. Okay. If you want to draw the teeth in there, you can. You can just do a one-line idea like that, but that's not really necessary as long as you get what it feels like. And then I just color in this piece right here that I don't need. Okay, now let's go here to the chin shape, and then we can just bring this in here like that. Okay. All right. And pretty much we'll just draw a little line underneath the eye here. We'll make this a little bit darker on one side than the other. And we'll give him some nice cartoon shoulders. All right. So see, that was really easy how to draw that guy, right? This guy right here. We can go ahead and just take our little marker and we can add some shadows or whatever we want just to make our cartoon look a little bit more realistic, if you will. Not realistic, but more what's the word I'm looking for? More 3D is what I'm saying. I guess 3D is realistic though, right? All right. And pretty much we are done. So I'm going to go ahead and start closing out. Don't forget to sign your work. I want to thank you for watching the video tutorial. I got some more videos I'm going to be doing on the eye shapes. Eyes are actually very easy to draw, but it's just how you think about them. You know what I mean? Okay, so other than that, I'm going to go ahead and end. You have a blessed and wonderful day. And the Rouser will be seeing you next time. Happy penciling, my friend. Happy penciling. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.